I'm again on a Tech Tool Tuesday. Grab your coffee, open up your laptop, and let's make tech tools feel simple again. You are with none other than Dr. Sonia Mitchell with the Tech Tools Cafe, and today's tech tool topic: what are browser extensions and how do you use them? So I'm going to take you on this journey today to make, once again, tech tools be simple and effective. So again, to know who you are in the company of. I am an enthusiast, computer science, business, marketing, finance, consulting, and I enjoy the world of tech and just helping people learn it in a simplistic way. Again, I want to welcome my viewers to Tech Tools Cafe. Today, we're going to be talking about browser extensions, those little tools that can make your web experience smarter, faster, and more fun. So by the end of this video, you'll know what extensions are and where to find them and how to use them safely. So browser extensions are small software add-ons that customize and enhance your web browsing. So these are some examples. Grammarly, which helps you check your grammar and spelling. We also have LastPass, which saves and autofills your passwords securely. And we have AdBlock Plus for blocking those nasty pop-ups, or in a more kinder way, the unwanted ads. Most of the time, most people don't want them. Also, Save to Google Drive to save your content quickly from the web. Momentum for a peaceful new tab experience. So it just replaces your new tab with a little bit of inspiration. We all need that. So when we are talking about the browser extensions, essentially it just makes your browsing smoother. And just to get a visual, or just thinking of this, is think of your browser like your kitchen, and each extension is a little gadget that quietly helps you get things done. For example, when you're typing an email or working on a document, Grammarly automatically checks your spelling and grammar as you type. You do not have to open a new tab or copy your text somewhere else. It's wording. Your wording is basically captured behind the scenes. So it's working behind the scenes. It's scanning your words, sending a quick check to its server, and giving you the instant gratification of suggestions to make your writing even better. That's what it means when I say about the browser extensions working in the background. Basically, they don't take over your screen, so don't get scared or apprehensive there. They quietly enhance your experience while you stay focused on your main task, Other examples would include, again, the Ad Block Plus, which stops those pop-ups before the page even loads, or LastPass, when it instantly fills your saved password. These background helpers make browsing smoother, safer, and way more efficient, like having an invisible but effective tech assistants that are built right into your browser. So, how to find and install your extensions? So, step one, you're going to need to navigate to your browser's extension store. And I've only listed Google Chrome, which is a Chrome web store, and Firefox, which has the Firefox add-ons, and Microsoft Edge, which has the Edge add-on store. So you want to use the official browser stores for safety. We do not need any viruses, okay? So I'm going to step out here, and I want to show you, if you go to Chrome, I'm going to show you on the Chrome web store.google.com, and you can easily see it has Discover, and then it goes to extensions. So you can actually search right here at the top. I'm going to show you here at the top here, where I like to call it the little magnifying glass. You can search for extensions, even themes. So let's take a look. With you installing, first you want to go to the store, right? Your browser store. And then you want to look for a developer's name. You want it to be someone that you can trust. You want to look at the reviews and the ratings. And here's a pro tip. Stick to official browser stores only. Never download the random websites. So want to make sure we have that. So now, as I had mentioned with the search and install, so in that web browser, you can search for your desired extension. You can click on it to view details and review, and then we're going to select add to Chrome or install depending on your browser. For Chrome, it's definitely add. And again, always check your user ratings and the permissions before installing. And you want to stick to official browser stores only. Never download the randomness. All right, so let's go back, and let's just say you want to type in, I don't know, you're looking for a reader tool. So I'm going to put in read. There's several ones that come up. So again, I'm looking directly at the ratings, and you can actually see the ratings here. I'm going to color coordinate that. So if you look at the ratings here, and I know for me, I always want 5 stars, but I give a little grace, I give a little grace of 4 stars. And also I look for how many people are using it. It shows that as well, just like in the App Store. So I think all of these are featured. They have 4.7. Let's see, Swift Read, Read Faster, Learn More. Ah, all right. Just for sheer reading aloud with one click. So I am going to go with this one. So this is the actual extension, and it's an extension that is ready to read any site aloud. And it looks like it changes it changes from country to country. All right, so this is the blue, so the blue button, which is right here. I'm going to click that. Once I click it, it actually comes up and it prompts you to add the extension. So I'm going to click that, add extension. And I know you're probably wondering, how in the world? Okay, it gave me the successfully install. So I have successfully installed it. Now it's actually showing me how to do what I'm about to share with you to do. So if you click this button here and it has the extension, you click it and let's see if we see read aloud. And if you click this pin, so you're going to pin it there. And as you see, the icon came up and it is pinned there now. Now, with it being pinned there, you have it at your disposal. And are you still there? Are you still there? I know that was a lot. I know it was a lot. So to access it and manage it, again, you access it through your toolbar icon. You can definitely configure for personalization, and you can manage and move via your browser settings as well. Again, you only the only ones you use regularly is what you want to put in the browser extension that I just demoed, because it will slow your browser down and you want to be effective and fast. So I want to emphasize on this digital safety. Only install from original stores, the official original, and you want to read the permission requests very, very carefully, because you want to make sure that it is what you want and what you need. Don't install too many. They will, again, slow it down. And you want to update it regularly or remove any ones that you're not using. You want to delete them. You don't want it to slow your computer down. And just a quick caution. Even small tools can pose risk if they collect your data. So think before you click. So you really want to make sure that you verify what you're doing with your extensions, because you want to stay safe. So this has been your Tech Tools Cafe takeaway today. So with the browser extensions, you can transform your online experience with just one click at a time and explore, organize, and keep your digital life simple, simplistic, and secure, but fun. And I want to invite you to comment on your favorite extension and this week's challenge. I definitely want you to explore your browser extension store and try installing maybe one I didn't put this, but 2 maybe new productivity tools. And again, hashtag tech tools cafe with Dr. Mitchell, hashtag digital skills, hashtag browser extension. And of course, we're still celebrating Cybersecurity Awareness Month. And thank you so much for joining me at Tech Tools Cafe, where learning tech is as easy as your morning cup of joe or tea. And last but not least, I do want you to give me feedback. If you do, you can definitely enter this when prompt. You can win a prize. Definitely like to see you in the comments. Until then, take care.